One of the largest beer makers in the world suffered a massive shutdown. The cybersecurity attack made its production and delivery systems inaccessible. OT security in the food and beverage industry is one of the major concerns. In today's episode of Future Shapers, we have Arpit Sharma taking us through the importance and impact of OT security in our lives. Welcome to the show. Arpit, what is operational technology and why is OT security so important?
So operation technology is a system which automates a manual process into a more quality-oriented process where you have less of the human interaction. In our day-to-day life, we use a lot of FMCG products, we use electronics products and automobile products. Most of these products are manufactured in a factory where we use a significant amount of operational technology.
What are the key OT security challenges you see across the industry?
The automation technology was implemented in the industry for over the last 100 years. One of the key challenges most of the manufacturers are trying to address is to address the security with the legacy as well as the new technology setup in the same factory. In general, every manufacturing facility needs to have their tailor-made security solutions. However, in general, there are three fundamental challenges that industry is trying to address. One, with the network security, segmentation as well as asset visibility. Second, vulnerability management of the devices. Third is the policy implementation within the OT environment.
What type of security do OT systems adopt?
So historically, OT systems were developed to automate a manual process in a closed loop network. With the digitalization, now every industry is connected to either internet or to a larger network, which creates a bigger challenge with respect to cybersecurity. One of the key methods that is used by most of the manufacturers in the OT environment is defense in depth, where the fundamental idea is to have enough segmentations and within the network so that if there is a cybersecurity incident, the infection does not spread across in the entire network.
How should a CIO or a CSO of a manufacturing or a utility organization go about OT security?
In a large organization, one of the key challenges for a CIO or CSO is to reduce the cybersecurity risk within the organization. And this is one of the key challenges for most of the CIOs to address, considering the combination of the OT and the IT asset base that they have. One of the key aspects that they should involve is make sure that there is a top-down program for OT cybersecurity within their organization, and at the same time also leverage the advancement of the processes they developed in the IT security to take forward the OT cybersecurity program within the organization.
What do you see in the future of OT security?
In today's digitalization world, OT security has become a very critical aspect of an organization, both IT as well as the OT security. Most of the futuristic organizations, they are looking at OT security as a parallel track. Going forward, OT cybersecurity will be a critical function running within an organization to maintain cybersecurity and monitor any incident that is happening within the OT environment.
Thank you for the great insights on OT security, Arpit. This brings us to the end of this episode. Until next time.